Nakaplay na lahat. Trauma na eh. Sayang yung mga jokes sa atin, no? Ulitin naman yung mga jokes sa Actually, guys.
Kaya aminin kami.
Second take kasi hindi namin na-record yung audio.
Hindi namin na-record.
Naka-off.
Kasalanan niya.
Actually, I'm so sorry.
First video apology video talaga.
So yun, I am Porcy or Joseph. Pero mas kilala ko as Porcy.
And I'm Miles or MJ.
Yeah, so sa workplace, tawag na sa kanya ay MJ. Ako naman Joseph. So medyo weird for the last 6 years, Porcy yung tawag sa akin. So yung Joseph. Naging straight. I had a vlog noong 2020. Tapos, Miles?
Yeah, I was doing video essays.
And nakikita niyo sa story niya na nire-repost niya ulit ngayon.
Kasi gusto kong i-relive yung fun times.
Yes. At dahil nire-relive niya yung fun times, ngayon gagawin namin siya. Pero kami dalawa na together. So it's a collab. Not on Twitter. Pero yeah, it's a podcast. Ayan, kasi nga, di kami nakapag-decide na maging podcast to kasi yung equipment namin,
yeah, hindi siya pasok sa compliance standards ni Spotify.
So, pero pwede nyo ma-follow din yung Chibugan.
Hindi, wag na yun.
Wag na yun. Wala na yun. Okay. Pero,
let's continue.
We have decided to create a podcast, video and podcast.
True.
So, ngayon, ayan, tignan natin kung may customer daw dati. Kasi dahil, kaya customer kasi.
Kaya customer. Kasi, Porcy, we're here at Kape Ka Cafe.
Kape Ka Cafe. Located at sa Uyo.
Sa Uyo. Around Caltex area, Senior Pedro. Yung Shogo.
Shogo. Di ba na-ibig sa Shogo?
So good. Anyway, marketing play.
Lagyan na natin yung location dito. And of course, big shout out to our fellow psychmate, fellow nationalian.
Your fellow Bulldog.
Yes.
Yeah. Nikki
in the house.
Yeah,
Di na natin magpakita kasi data pharmacy.
Sino in the later episode
yes.
Pa-reveal tayo.
Pag
medyo may paki na kayo. Sa amin, gano'n.
Speaking of may paki sa atin, syempre pakilala naman tayo about sa life natin, no? So, ano yung fondest memory natin sa isa't isa? By far, meron akong top of the head sa akin.
Fondest? Siguro yung research, yun talaga yun. Yun yung pinaka-fondest. Actually, hindi pala ako sure sa fondest kasi parang negative siya.
Negative siya. Hindi naman masaya.
Ayun.
Yung research ko nga pala kasi thesis mate ko siya and yung friend ko. So, yeah, yung friend ko na I think friend yun na rin. No?
Friend ko din. Ex-friend.
So, yes, ako yung pumapagitna.
Yeah.
It's a struggle. Parang, saan ako lalapit? Hindi ko alam kung sino kakampihan ko. Kasi both magtatampo.
True.
Sa akin naman, fondest memory is yung naging crush ko siya ng 2020.
Para sa mga followers namin.
Yes, kinikilig na kayo. Pero hindi ba kami magjowa, guys? Okay,
yeah,
yun lang yun.
Kailangan na may clarify yun.
Yes. So, August to September yun. Tapos nawala rin siya kasi umamin ako sa kanya. Pero, in fairness sa kanya, as a straight guy, ang ganda niya paano i-handle yun. Kasi parang, but okay lang talaga siya. Tapos tignan mo naman, friends pa rin kami until now, di ba?
So, hindi siya awkward.
Yes.
Hindi din siya pilit.
Yes.
Hindi siya pilit, guys.
Actually, pinilit ko na para at least may straight friend na. So, pag-uusapan natin ang araw ngayon, which is Valentine's. Talking about love.
Yeah, love.
Yes.
So, jowa nyo.
And pagiging single.
True.
So, ano ba ang self-love for you, MJ or Miles?
Self-love. Yeah, self-love is, I think, for me, all about putting yourself first.
Putting yourself first.
Pag self-love, parang syempre, kung ano yung wants and needs mo, yun yung uunahin mo muna instead of placing all that love in somebody else. Ayun.
Yun yung natutunan niya, guys, mga ex niya. Yun yung natutunan niya.
Thank you for the experience.
Yes, after...
Ngayon ko lang siya na-gets. Medyo slow pala ako.
So, nakasakit muna siya bago niya ma-realize yung mga bagay-bagay.
Yeah. Sorry sa mga nasaktan. Para lang matutunan kayo. Hindi naman.
Yes. Pero totoo, nagbago na siya. Nagbago na siya, guys. Okay.
People can change.
Wow. So, ano? Yeah.
Ikaw, ano
okay. Yun yung nanay ko. Yun yung cue ko.
Walang cue eh. So, ikaw, what is self-love for you?
Na-realize mo nga yung self-love, both sa dapat mahalin mo yung sarili mo, appreciate yourself, is ano pala, yung discipline is a self-love in motion. So, nakalimutan ko, ito po yung kinok ko dun sa una kong tawag to, talk this year. Yeah, self-love is discipline talaga. So, once you commit to yourself and discipline yourself in achieving whatever success you define, yun, you would really say or tell na talagang mahal mo yung sarili mo. So, it changed over time. Pero ngayon, it's all about discipline for me. Commitment, determination, dedication to yourself. Kung ano man yung goal na gusto mong tahakin or kunin. Yeah, that's self-love for me. It changed over time, bro.
Yung definition mo ng self-love, parang commitment sa sarili.
Yes, commitment sa sarili.
Kung may commitment ka in a relationship with another person, kung self-love, yun yung commitment mo sa sarili.
Yes. Kasi, di ba, before you enter a relationship, you really have to commit sa sarili mo muna. Kasi that will really parang make you capable of understanding others or the other partner or the other human being that you're going to like celebrate your life with. So parang ganun yung sa akin. So,
yeah. And I think, important yung sinabi mo na in order to be capable of, having or reciprocating the same feeling sa partner. Kasi, what if nga, hindi ka nga complete and you don't value yourself or you don't love yourself and then nag-engage ka, di ba, in a relationship with another person. Di ba, lalabas pala na, toxic pala ako, gano'n. So, yeah. Masyadong nagiging person.
Actually, self-love na lang to.
Oo, parang this episode, binabash ko lang sarili ko. For no reason. Hindi naman. That's just the truth.
I agree. At saka, compromise din kasi yung relationship eh.
Exactly.
Kasi parang masyadong pilit. Just to fill that gap or yung emptiness sa'yo, you're going to enter a relationship. Well, in fact, hindi na ba't magkukomplete yung person na yun sa'yo. Yeah.
Parang papasok kayo in a relationship when you're two complete, di ba, separate persons, not depending on one another.
Parang galing kay sa ex mo yan.
What if? Sa kanya ko natutunan.
Actually, sa kanya. Yung
ina-apply ko na.
Pero yun yan, speaking of capability pala, nasa sa'yo yan kung ano yung level, wala namang like guideline na parang, ay, kapag ito yung naramdaman ko, okay na to. Ikaw magde-define
niya. Hindi siya parang Mario level. May level 1, level 2. May difficult, may hard.
Subjective siya. So, it's how we define yung parang yung capability natin. Kasi on my end, I would say na capable na ako if I don't think myself more. Parang ganun.
You don't think of yourself more?
Yeah. Thank you for correcting me. So, yeah, tama yan. Parang ayoko na, parang mas iisipin ko na yung other person. Parang ganun. Because, not because na parang I'm begging for him. Yung, him kasi, baling ako.
Talaga? Hindi halata?
Di ba alam? Sorry. Nagkamot ako.
This is it. Live ngayon. Now you know, guys.
Yes, thank you so much for your support. So, ayun nga, parang, it's not begging. Kasi parang kasi you enjoy what you share to that person, kumbaga, na hindi siya pilit. Parang
exactly.
Gano'n. So, yun yung capability sa akin na masabi ko. Tapos yun, parang, hindi naman sa parang burado na yung insecurities ko, pero hindi nangingibabaw yung insecurities ko over love. Parang gano'n. Kasi yung tunan ko yan, sa Bible ata.
Reference.
Hindi, pero ito.
Bible etal.
Ito lang po ka-alalaga eh. Tumalabas siya. Parang, love has no fear.
Love has no fear.
Yes. Ewan ko na-testify ko yun.
Na-testify.
Pero yun, I think, parang wala nang fear in terms of love. Pag magkasama yung person yun. Ewan ko, that's deeper. Basta sa akin lang yun.
For me, yung like, the love that I desire, hindi naman desire, kasi baka yun yung pilitin ko. Pero, yung ideal na love for me is yung vulnerability. Yung tipong flaws mo, tanggap niya. And he or she accepts you wholeheartedly. Kahit na gaano ka man kakulit, etc. Yeah. So, ganun. If you have that person who appreciates yung mga quirkness mo, yung kawirdohan mo, di ba? Parang sinasamahan ka niya, it balances you out. Treasure that person. And don't waste it.
Parang kay ex...
Ay, hindi.
Wala ba?
Parang yun lang yung natutunan. Hindi, pero in fairness, like, to all the people that I've met, naramdaman ko naman yun.
Wow.
So, I'm very thankful for them. Yeah, those are very nice experiences. And yeah, parang nasa memories na.
Pero sinaktan mo sila.
Well, that's for my learning. Sorry na lang.
Grabe.
That's life.
Yeah,
Sometimes you don't hurt people intentionally.
Yeah.
Sometimes we hurt people, not knowing na nakakasakit pala siya.
Yes. At also pala, don't get us wrong, kasi parang kailangan maging perfect ka once you enter in a relationship. Hindi naman. It's just that parang yung fullness within yourself, parang mag-glow na lang siya, mag-radiate. Exactly. Then you'll be able to share that freely sa other person na, makakasama mo for the rest of your life. Well, exactly. Rest of your life talaga. Sorry, ganun yung thinking ko, guys.
Kasi you're date 2.
Mary.
Wow. Ako kasi date 2. Date 2, Date 2, Minigalo. Date 2, being with that person for a long time. Kasi ako, medyo may pressure kasi pag date to marry kasi mali ko ba, di ba? Anong mangyayari? So,
namali na naman ako. Namali na naman yung date to marry ko.
Hindi, pag date to marry kasi, di ba, parang you're so 100% sure of that person. Pag sa akin kasi, hindi ko kasi sure talaga.
Okay, kukorek ko muna siya doon. I mean, yung intent ko kasi is to marry.
Okay. So, hindi mo kailangan, sure agad.
Oo. Syempre, dating so you're gonna test the waters muna before you
know. So, yun lang yung purpose mo coming in.
Yeah. So, pero I'm curious, ano yung parang one situation, don't need to be specific, of course, na parang na-strengthen yung love mo within yourself for the past 24, 23, 25 years? Oh my gosh! 24 years. Yeah. Anong situation yung nagparaan?
Something ng love ko sa sarili.
So I think, the strengthen.
I think, honestly, if I have to be candid, yung past relationships ko talaga. Kasi, I think that helped me, become the person that I am today, na maging mas appreciative sa mga tao. Mm-hmm. So, ayun. They taught me of so many things na I have yet to realize about myself. And dahil doon, na-realize ko siya after. So, I think if, yung mga ex ko, they would see me now, I think medyo iba yung makikita nila. Kasi I admit naman na I'm not the perfect person, for anyone. So, ayun, that's one of the biggest lessons that I've had. And I've learned it through experience. So, ayun. So, sorry na lang sa mga
change.
So, sa mga dyan.
Sorry na daw.
So,
ito na yung parang, redemption yun na to.
Through redemption arc. Ito yung comeback ko. What?
Ayun, anyway, sa akin naman.
Ikaw naman.
Sa akin naman, no?
Tagalong cue
Well, sa akin yung recent date ko.
Recent
date. Kasi supposedly, siya yung parang next
in line.
Supposedly, we're getting there. We'll be in a relationship talaga dapat. Kasi, yun nga, yung health condition.
Health condition.
But actually, siya rin meron. Health condition. The big heart.
The big
post. So, yeah. Yung condition ko kasi, parang, doon ko na-realize na parang, I only have one life to live. Kasi for the longest of time, parang, I kept on seeking for a relationship, for love. May it be, parang in a form of affection, kaya naman meeting guys.
Yeah.
So, parang wala akong year talaga na parang I'm so focused on myself. So, yeah. Ngayon natutunan ko na parang I think it's time talaga na parang kasi sumakto yung health condition ko. Then sumakto din siya when I met him. So, parang I choose na lang na okay, I need to stop. And I want to really, really, really take, this whole year or the time that I have na talagang i-enjoy, not to look for love or not naman to entertain, pero I'm not ready yet. So, sa mga nagbabalak manliga, o OA feeling, So, yan. Right now, I really prefer to focus on myself. And aside from that, of course, yung first ever relationship ko that I had, so I learned there na parang talaga, kahit despite ng insecurities ko, I have imposter syndrome. Ayun, yung parang despite the number of support, talagang I still feel like I am not worthy of love. So, ayun, yun nagpa-realize sa akin na parang, worthy of love pala ako. So, yeah, kahit may mga insecurities ako and I have this, perspective about myself or perception na hindi ako karapat dapat mahal din. So, yeah. But because of my first relationship and this recent one, like, I'm blessed. Thanks to God. Yan naman. Si Lord, charot. Pero, I'm blessed talaga, like, to experience yung type of love na genuine talaga. And that made me realize na, I'm worthy of love. So, that changed about how I perceive love this time. If you're going to talk to your, self ng 5 years ago, what would you tell him or her or them?
Them.
May pronounce, yung pronouns mo. Yeah. Parang, what would you tell him na parang about love? Kasi syempre iba yung definition natin 5 years ago, diba?
Yeah, definitely. Siguro
na lesson na pwede mo rin ma-share, of course, sa audience natin.
Oo. Kasi baka personal pala masyado share ko, no?
Yeah.
So, I think what I would say to my past self is, don't get into a relationship. Yun siguro share ko. Talaga, honestly. Huwag ka makikipag-relasyon. Kasi parang I felt like I was, there were moments in my life, especially before na, I was definitely not ready in a relationship. But then, I pursued being in one, even though, I wasn't ready. Ready in a sense na yung commitment, like yung giving full-hearted attention, or yung alam mo yun, yung small moments na showing appreciation. I think wala pa akong ganun mindset before. And I'm only now having that sort of mindset, that you have to really appreciate people. Parang, pag love kasi you have to work on it constantly, di ba? Ako parang, naging magaling lang ako sa umpisa. Parang gano'n. So, magaling lang ako sa umpisa. Alam mo yung saying na yun na, magaling lang yan sa umpisa. So, yung mga laging nagagasgas na term na yan, totoo pala siya sa akin. So, yun. So, I guess I was sort of like that. But then, that's something na I feel like I should say to my past self so that, parang, alam mo, matutunan ko siya earlier on. And yeah. Ayun.
Hugot din naman.
Oo. And si Porcy, I would ask, ano yung sasabihin mo sa past self mo?
5 years
5 years ago.
24 na ako ngayon. Magka-24. Yeah. So that was, oh my gosh, 19 years old. Oh my gosh, saktong-sakto. Kasi when I was 19.
Yung first, mo?
Ay, hindi pala, 18 pala. 18 pala yung first parang, exploration, gano'n.
Extravaganza.
Baging-bading.
Ding ba?
Ayun. Well, I learned na parang, learned talaga. Yung sasabihin ko sa kanya is, never be afraid to try things.
Parang yung things yan? What specific
I mean, it's much more like
things?
Exploration. Parang kasi I've been so hard to myself during that time.
Yeah.
Parang mag-explore ka, not necessarily in that, exploration na pero as you explore, you're still anchored with your values, with what you believe in, despite of the number of guys na nakilala mo. Yung nagsasabi, no, okay lang yan, i-compromise mo, ganito, ganyan. Like, stay ka pa rin doon, even though you're trying to explore. So, part naman kasi talaga ng kabataan yung, to have a puppy love, gano'n. Kasi, ever since hindi lang ako nag-try ng puppy love na matagal, like, 3 days, 1 week, ganun na. Tapos kinakat ka na. Kasi hopeless romantic ako. So, I don't want to to fall in love that deep. So, parang ganun. So, yun, parang yun yung advice ko. Like, just, it's okay to explore. So, it's okay to, meet guys. It's okay, kasi you're still navigating through that. Di mo naman masasabi na love mo talaga yung self. That's totally fine. So, ayun. Along the way, matutunan mo na lang yan. Basta importante, you stick to your core, to your values.
Parang you don't compromise yung pinaka-essential core values mo.
Kasi at that moment, you thought na parang yung decision mo was the best at that moment. And that's totally fine. Pero ang importante naman, you keep on going pa rin and you still stick to your core. You still believe in the hope that you'll find the true love. So yun yung na-realize ko. And of course, alongside with that, while you're still navigating through, take every step as a lesson talaga. And yun, accumulate mo lang siya hanggang yun, 5 years after. Ayoko na muna magdalawa. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Sana may natutunan kayo, guys. Ha?
Exactly. Sana may napulot kayo. Kahit sobrang onti. sa kalokohan na pinagsasabi.
Yes. And that's 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes. And that's 10 minutes. Ayun kay Nas. See you.
See you on our second episode.